Hey, today is the first day of the final voyage of the Carnival Ecstasy. Let's jump right into it. This is inside the Mobile, Alabama terminal. It was buzzing with dignitaries and news reporters conducting interviews. They interviewed John Hield. Peer runners even got interviewed.
We better go.
I take it you guys are avid cruisers and know them.
I've never been.
Oh, okay.
We've been friends since and
Really?
she's like, come with me. She's done this 30 or 40 times.
Oh.
Everybody I know. So she's like, I'm taking you. I was like, okay.
You happy so far?
But I was like, oh, my friends,
I didn't realize how big
and look, I saw
the
all
ship
my
would be.
friends,
And we pulled up
my
and I was
crew
like,
members, that they were staying on. Some of
Yes.
them
Well, I'm glad you came because it's really
hug my
good.
neck.
Enjoy.
And I was having the best time. Absolutely.
Are you from the city of Mobile? Oh, okay. So this is okay. No, just a passenger. Okay.
Say goodbye, but the future's bright. We've got new ships coming, lots of new ships, and of course, as I mentioned, most important, Spirit cruises to Belize, Cozumel, and Private Islands. I'm very excited. There are two things. I want to thank you for the past, the future. Carnival Spirit, the travel agent, line. She is a beautiful ship, more balconies, wonderful public spaces. We've got some surprises on board for you as well. And we will be back. There'll be a few months when you won't see the most famous whale tails as well, but then in October 2023, we will be back. And the second thing I'd like to say to the gift shop people at Mobile Airport, you need bigger than this, right? This isn't big enough. 4X, come on. 2X? Hello?
Hi, everybody.
Hey, how are you? Nice to see you. Yeah. How are you doing? Michelle.
Yes,
We have
it
the
is.
same name. We have the same name. I'm gonna forget. You have one more L than me, but.
This is my best friend.
Hey, Pure Runners. We're on the Carnival Ecstasy, and we're getting an announcement.
Smoking is now permitted on the Carnival Ecstasy. They had to announce it.
We had to announce it. So we're here on the Lido deck, kicking it for the final sailing of the Carnival Ecstasy, and I was smart this time, y'all. I brought my portable straw. So, you know they don't give out the straws anymore because of the environmental conflicts and things like that. So, I went on Amazon and I brought my own. Yes. You take out your little cleaner and voila. You just pop your straw into your glass. so fun. When you're done, you put your cleaner back in. You put it back in its little pouch. And look, it can even attach to your little chain that you'll put your Carnival selling sign card. So just thought I'd give you that helpful tip while we are waiting to sail away.
Okay. Well, more from Carnival Ecstasy later on for you. Enjoy. See you on the Lido. That's it. That's the last one.